Tony. Thanks for your support. Where? Here. This is your channel, right? So, you see this plus sign? This one? You can touch this one. And then, we open the create video, I think. Create. Yeah, create. Only create. So, you touch the create. And then, you find your videos. Like that. And then, you make the title. Thanks later, do that. Okay, that's good. You start to upload short videos. Even 1 minute like that.